Hey queens, hey queens. Whew, I'm here. I am here. I had to, excuse me, I'm using my hands and stuff. I don't have a thing. I still don't have my thing yet, so just excuse me. But I had to come out of the post office to go and get some Wi-Fi. My phone is acting up. I don't have much data on my phone right now. And I am not going to pay a bill until I'm not going to pay the bill until it's due. But anyway, so I'm going to the Food Line to get some Wi-Fi so I can get the address and finish mailing off the gift for K-Mo. See y'all later. Hey, I'm out dashing. I'm sitting in the car waiting on Ernest to come back. He went to get the dash, and I'm driving today. But I'm driving every day, right? So, back on bud just flew in my face. They always just want to come and bother somebody, fly in your face. So, what I did come on here to tell you all is our cat, our other cat. I found our other cat. Well, I saw her in our neighbor's driveway dead on the way to take my son to work, just like I did with the first cat. So we had the cat that I just found longer. My daughter brought them to us, and we just fell in love with the cats. So anyway, yeah, it was a pretty bad day for us yesterday because we've had Nymeria for like 2 years, and my husband cried the whole time he was burying her. So I'm not sure if someone is poisoning the cats around it, but that's what it looked like because Cam, his body was just like Nymeria's. It wasn't like somebody had hit him. It was blood coming out his mouth, and that was like Nymeria was the same way. It was just like blood was coming out her mouth, but it didn't look like she had been hit either, you know. So yeah, you know, it's some pretty wicked and evil people out there that, you know, do some pretty mean things. And because Nymeria been, you know, she's been inside, outside cat since she's been with us. And it's been 2 years and nothing like that has ever happened. So someone is doing that. Yeah. But I'm gonna go. I don't want to bring anybody down, but that's what happened. And hopefully whoever this sick bastard is, maybe they'll get some help. And you know, I'm gonna go.